living in Mukilteo doesn't mean you have to give up your Seattle job. You can actually have both, as several friends of mine do. To be on the coast, to be able to see the islands and the water and just that natural environment is awesome. People use their time differently with that hour that they have to ride into work. Some people are getting an early jump on work. Yeah, it's totally relaxing, especially when you consider the alternative of being in I-5 gridlock and not really knowing how long it's going to take you to get to work any given day. If you want to be in a community where you know your neighbors, where life's just a little slower and your kids can go play, then Mukilteo might be a good place to check out, and you don't have to give up your job in Seattle to do it. The Sounder train provides an amazing commuting alternative.